How to download music in Spotify. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can download music in Spotify. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Spotify application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Here, now in order to download music on Spotify, you need a Spotify premium account. So if you don't have the premium subscriptions, make sure to get the Spotify premium. So for that, you will need to subscribe to one, and Spotify premium is a paid subscriptions that offers the ability to download the music. And once you have the Spotify premium, then you can navigate to the album or playlist that you want to download, or you can simply open up a music that you wish to download. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right, and in this menu bar, you will find an option to download. Then tap on download. And for that, ensure you are connected to Wi-Fi or you have sufficient data in your mobile. The downloaded music will be available in your library section under the downloads. And then once the download is complete, you can listen to music without needing an internet connection in Spotify. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.